This toilet is leaking a large amount of water from its base. When we looked closer, we noticed that the toilet was not secured well to the ground. This is a common thing that happens when a toilet needs a new wax ring. The wax ring creates a watertight seal between the toilet's base and the sewer pipe. When it wears down, a new one will need to be installed. The first thing he needs to do is to drain the toilet's tank completely. After he does this, he takes the old wax ring off the toilet's base, and you can see how badly it needs replaced and how worn down it was. Next, he soaks up the water that was left on the ground. Then he removes the old screws from the opening of the sewer line and puts in brand new ones. Now it's time to put in the new wax ring. After he does this, he can put the toilet back to where it goes and tighten it into place. It's important to make sure that the bolts are on tight so it doesn't become loose and move around. He quickly tests to see if the toilet will move, and it doesn't, so he hooks it back up. Once again, he tests it to see if it'll move out of place, and it doesn't. Once he does this, he can see that the toilet is not budging. This will prevent any water from leaking from the toilet's base. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.